Down into my hole here, folks. Everything looks pretty much the same. Doesn't look like anything caved in. But the first thing I see, bam, rain must have washed the dirt off it. Look at that. Cat's eye. Yellow and orange and white. I don't know what number that makes. I'll put it in the video description. Right on. That's actually a nice looking marble. Catches on the next one. Check it out, folks. Inside of some rocky cliffs here. Bit of debris. I spotted this over here. Looks like an insulator. And right down below it is a marble. Marble number 11. Let's pick that up first. I don't think it's a real old one, but it's a marble nonetheless. That in my pocket. On my way down to dig, and as usual I'm looking for marbles along the way, and I spotted one down here. See it? I can zoom in there. There it is, yep. It's an interesting clear base with green and white swirls on it. Nice. One more for the jar. Oh, score, folks. Check it out. That's a nice one. Right up here. Yeah, I like that one. Blue with a red line through it. See if we can get her focused a little better here. Yeah, cool. I like it. All right, catch you later. All right, back with another find. I just seen a flash of yellow and I think it's a marble. It's right down in here. Yep. Yellow cat's eye. Right on. Not sure what number that makes. I'll put it in the description of the video. Right on. On to the next. Alright folks, next find, another marble. Nice blue and white one. Yep. I might get into a patch of them down here. That'd be sweet. Okay, keep digging away. Starting to rain here now. See the spots on that metal. Okay, later. Just popped this cobalt out. I was going to put it in my bag. I bent over to my bag here and looked right down here. Look at that. Marble. Surface find. Not a bad looking one. Might have a little bit of damage done to it. I'm not sure what number that makes. But I'll post it in the description anyways. Looks like a nice one. You alright? See what else we can dig out of this hole here. Alright folks, I've been digging away here now for getting near an hour. And I just got a marble down in here. It's the first time I got one down in this deep. Well, there, two-tone blue one. Nice looking one. Yep. Some white swirls on it. Alright, I don't know what number that makes, but I'll include it in the video, I'm sure. Catch you on the next one. Well, if nothing else, folks, we got a marble. Nice little white one. Now you get a focus here. The lighting's not real good in here though. Got some dark gray swirls through it. Alright, well, keep scraping away here. What's that? Oh, oh nice. Alright. Oh, folks, I had other big cellar holes right up here, right up over the knoll here. I'm down in amongst this stuff. Looks like it's from the probably the 40s. But check it out. Marble. I think that's number 20. Not turning out to be a bad little hunt. Finding some little stuff. Oh. Marble, the clay pipe, and a glass stopper so far. All right. On to the next.